Good day, sirs. I am embarking upon a journey today, a journey into creating a feature for one of my apps. The particular app is WebOutLoud. Perhaps you've heard of it, I don't know. But it is my website reader app. It's probably my most important app. It has the most users. It is not my most downloaded app, but it is my most profitable app. So I like to add features to it on a periodic basis to keep my users happy. And this is a new feature that I'm going to start working on. Well, I've already started working on it, but I haven't done much. I've just kind of put some placeholder stuff into place. And what this new feature will do is it will allow users to save web pages as audio files. This is something several users have asked for. Well, I should say it will not only save web pages as audio files, it will save PDFs and EPUBs and text documents, all of the document types that the app supports. So what I have so far is not much, just some placeholder stuff. So if I have a random website here open in the simulator in WebOutLoud, some article I found on Hacker News, I don't know who this is. So if I enter reader mode, I am now in reader mode. And then if I go to share this website, I hit the share button, hit a breakpoint. There's a new activity in the share sheet called save as audio file. Right now it doesn't do anything, but you get the idea. So that's it. And I'm gonna do these devlogs or these developer vlogs to keep me accountable, because I think when I do these developer vlogs, I actually end up finishing things more consistently. I've done it before and I'm going to do it again, because once I publish the first one, it's like planting a stake in the ground. There's a lot of unknowns coming up. Specifically, it needs to support premium voices, and premium voices, I am charged by the character by the premium text-to-speech providers. So I need a way to estimate the number of characters in the document and tell the user if they don't have enough characters remaining, I need to let them know and give them the opportunity to buy more. And then if they do have enough, I need to tell them how much it's going to consume, just as a heads up, just to be transparent. Yeah. And that's going to be the main challenge. And there's going to be a server-side component, because potentially this is going to be a lot of text. I mean, if you're converting a PDF document to text, it's going to be a lot of text, and it's going to take a little bit of time. So I don't want to do that in the app itself, because the person might go into the background and it won't complete. So I want it to continue on the server regardless of what the user's doing. I know I can use background activity or whatever the it is, but I just want it to be on the server side. So there will be a server-side component. And leading up to this, I created a feature in WebOutLoud which allows users to edit saved content. So let me demonstrate that. Edit saved web pages, control which paragraphs are spoken. So I introduced this feature recently. Often in blogs, newspaper articles and stuff, there's a lot of crap on the bottom of the screen that you just want to exclude. And you can do that now by using the edit feature. So if I move the cursor to here, this guy's blog, he's asking you to subscribe to his newsletter, and there's a bunch of just random footer stuff on the bottom that you would definitely not want to include in your audio file, because, I mean, you're consuming your premium characters. You don't want to include a bunch of crap you don't want to listen to. So that was the idea behind this feature. It's useful in other ways, but I wanted to get this out there first before I did the conversion to audio file. And that's out there live right now, this feature. So you can hit this little edit pencil. When you highlight a paragraph, this little edit pencil shows up right here. And if you hit that, you get the option to mute the paragraph. If you mute the paragraph, it strikes it out. But there's another option to mute, unmute, rest, which means it'll mute, unmute, it'll toggle mute everything from that paragraph to the end of the document. So it takes care of this common thing where there's a bunch of crap on the bottom of the page. So you can do mute, unmute, rest, and it mutes everything on the bottom there. So I just wanted to share that, and that's about it. I'm going to get to work on this feature, and now I have a video to edit, so that kind of complicates things and distracts me from actually working on it. But I like doing these videos because when you're working alone, it's good to kind of describe what you're doing to anyone who will listen, and I think it just helps you achieve clarity of mind. Well, that's about it. I'll see you on the next one.